Yeah. Hey, what up, bro? What it do, man? You alright? Oh, nothing, man. That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
22,000 views and going, you hear me?
Even more. We going crazy, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this stuff crazy out here, man.
Only in sight right. I'm gonna make sure I'm minister me on the page, man. Make sure I'm minister. This type of shit that happen out here.
I want to ask you a question. I'm going to put this going on the page, right? You know who? How many shots was let off?
No shot. I thought I heard about like a sub or something like 10 motherfuckers.
Man, they got that was like an AK or something.
Yes, sir.
It was like 9 bullets.
I knew it was, but they just left the gas station when they shot.
Oh, for real? How old was it?
I don't know what the shit was, bro.
You don't know the name?
I don't know how old the motherfucker was. Got shot. He probably like 19.
19? He
said dude got some bread.
Little man, now they say how old little man is. How old little man is?
How old little man is?
About 20, sir.
Oh, man, that's messed up.
Yeah, so he got shot in the chest. His ass back on that fucking leg.
Oh, for real? You know the baby mama name?
Man told my motherfucker that some motherfucker died, bro. Who dead?
Man, that's crazy.
One or two people got shot.
2 people. It was a guy and his girlfriend got shot.
What the dude get hit at?
I don't even know exactly where he got hit at.